always wanted to own a private jet. You believe that this is going to be my first time ever on a jet?
Yes. One day when I own a private jet.
Yo, this is our private jet for today. Look at that. I really can't believe that I'm doing this for the first time. It's like I'm breaking that private jet virginity. And after this one, trust me, more private jet experience to come. Can I have an amen, please? I'm crazy. You know, believe me, I never thought this day would come. Even though I'm always flying, but private jet? Come on, man. I need to call my mom as soon as I touch down. Oh.
What should I do?
You want to take a photo of me? Yeah. I think I made it in life, man. The owner of the jet wants to take a photo of me. I give you the phone and you take a photo. You really want to take a photo of me? I'm sweating, man. Thank you. My goodness, the village boy in a private jet. It feels so sweet and comfortable cruising in a private jet. I've been on countless of flights. I've experienced business class, but trust me, take it from me, it feels so different being in a private jet. It's like you're just alone having a great time. And what even made it so special is I was flying in a plane owned by a Ghanaian billionaire. I want to know how many seater? Nine
seater.
Do you always
seater luxurious plane.
Do you always travel by yourself or you always travel with a team?
At times myself, at times by the team. Leadership.
How does it feel? In a private jet?
For me, nothing has changed. It's just normal. And, because of my business and busy schedule, it's more comfortable for me doing business.
20 minutes later, we touched down in Accra, Ghana, the capital city of the gateway to Africa. My goodness, I wish we went for 6 hours because I wanted to be in Jamaica once again, man. He thanked him for the experience and also appreciated him for not giving up.